ਸਬਸਕ੍ਰਾਈਬ ਕਰੋ ਸਾਡਾ YouTube ਚੈਨਲ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਮੀਨੀਆ ਤੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਫੋਨ ਤੇ ਨਵੀਆਂ ਵੀਡੀਓਜ਼ ਦੇਖਣ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਹਿੱਟ ਕਰੋ ਬੈਲ ਆਈਕਨ।
Yeah, hi friends, my name is Shiva Dagar. About my background, I'm a Delhiite and I did my schooling from Delhi only. Then I did graduation in BTech. I am a degree holder. I'm an engineer in electronics and communication engineering, and I'm a sports fanatic. I love cricket. I love table tennis. I love swimming, and I like all of these sports. Like from my childhood, I love a lot of these sports like volleyball and all. So basically, this is about me. So it started from my childhood days only, as you guys as you just asked for my background and all. So we are like from a very conservative family and all. So padhai and like education is the first priority to do, and along with that you can do your things, but not on the priority sector. You have to be educated first. And then from my childhood days, I always wanted to be on stage, and like हमारे schools में जो functions होते हैं, मैं हमेशा वहाँ पे मेरे दिमाग में ना हमेशा रहता था कि I want to participate in these extracurricular activities, but because of a little bit of my shy nature and all, तो मैं थोड़ा सा स्टेप बैक करता था और अपना मैं ज़्यादा लाइक आई यूज़ टू बी सो मच इनटू स्पोर्ट्स एंड ऑल, तो वहाँ ज़्यादा अपना टाइम स्पेंड करता था. देन आफ्टर दैट आई गॉट इनटू कॉलेज, एंड वाइल डूइंग इंजीनियरिंग लाइक मैंने सोचा कि नाउ आई हैव टू परस्यू माई ड्रीम टू बी एन एक्टर, एंड आई स्टार्टेड माई जर्नी जस्ट आफ्टर माई इंजीनियरिंग, एंड आई गॉट selected in GLADREX 2011 and 12, and from there onwards I started my journey. Then I joined the theater in Mumbai, and I did a lot of plays, a lot of hard work for like 4 to 5 years in theater sector, and along with that I was regular doing auditions and meeting people. That's how I started my journey. The experience is amazing. It's like I'm already like fumbling to tell you this to you guys. The experience has been like amazing. मतलब इतना कुछ मैंने अभी तक explore कर लिया है, and अभी तो बहुत कुछ explore करना बाकी है, and I'm just loving it. The journey has been amazing. A lot of twists and turns were there, and I have to put a lot of hard work in that. And the journey has been like literally amazing. It's speechless. To be an actor is I think is the best thing in the world. इससे बेस्ट मुझे नहीं लगता कुछ हो सकता है कि आपको इतनी सारी चीज़ें परफॉर्म करने को मिलती हैं, इतने सारे लोगों के कैरेक्टर में आप एंटर करते हो और उनके बारे में जानते हो. इट्स सो एक्साइटेड to be another human being. Like if you are doing a certain character for a film and also you have to be completely change yourself. So it's amazing. It's just like a dream come true for me, really. The name of the song is Flirt, as you know, and it's already on air right now. It's sung by the singer Labh Junjua ji, and it's already on air right now. And this song is his last song, and I want you guys to share this song, and if you like it, and give it a hit. This is a tribute to Labh Junjua ji. Share it more and more. The experience has been amazing while shooting as well, while we were on the recordings with Labh Junjua ji as well, because Labh ji is like my childhood favorite singer. भाई अभी जहाँ भी DJ और कुछ भी चलता है तो मुन्निया तो बच के रही तो ज़रूर चलता है, और फिर वो हमारे लाभ जी का ही है. और it was always in my mind to do a song for Labh Junjua ji कि मैं उनके गाने में काम करूँ, and it has become true. and उससे ज़्यादा खुशी की बात तो मेरे लिए हो ही नहीं सकती. और वो अभी ऑन एयर है टी सीरीज़ के ऑफिशियल चैनल पे. आप लोग उसे अपना प्यार दिखाइए. आप लोगों के प्यार की बहुत सख्त ज़रूरत है, और लाभ जी की आवाज़ को सब उनके फैंस तक पहुंचाइए, जितने ज़्यादा लोगों तक आप पहुंचा सकते हैं. उनका लास्ट सॉन्ग है, उनको ट्रिब्यूट देने का इससे अच्छा मौका हमारे पास हो ही नहीं सकता. एंड दैट्स व्हाई आई एम हेयर, एंड आई रियली नीड योर सपोर्ट एंड लव गाइस. See, while recording, the producers approached me that this is the song and it's sung by Love Junjoji. When I heard his name, I instantly said yes, that I will do this song. And the lyrics are so like what would you call it? Like the lyrics are so funny. It's like that. छड़ दे तू कुड़िए फ्लर्ट करना, प्यार पाके मुंडिया नु हर्ट करना, देखे एक दिन बड़ा पछताएगी, तू सुधर जा मैं तेनू अलर्ट करना. So these are the lyrics of the song. And whenever at that time the producers approach me, and I just instantly say yes to this music video, and it's on air right now. And we need your immense love and support to share it to all over and everywhere to Lavji's fans and all. See, ऐसा कुछ नहीं. एज आई टोल्ड यू कि मुझे स्पोर्ट्स और क्या नाम है, इन चीज़ों से, स्पोर्ट्स और एथलेटिक चीज़ें ही मुझे बड़ी पसंद. मतलब मैं बहुत ही स्पोर्ट्स फैनेटिक हूँ. अपने जो भी खाली टाइम में आई लव टू प्ले क्रिकेट, and I love to do taekwondo classes, and I'm into gymnast as well. So I love all these things as well. Or apart from this, I work on my acting skills as well whenever I free. And I start reading Hindi books, and start preparing the monologues from that. And this is how I spend my time, my personal time, to prepare more and more, to grow more and more as an actor. And while shooting, फिर हमारे पास कुछ टाइम ही नहीं होता, तब तो हमें परफॉर्म ही करना होता है वहीं पे. और उसके अलावा थ्रू आउट द डे मेरा यही चलता रहता है, कॉन्स्टेंटली वर्क ऑन माई सेल्फ. या दैट्स अ गुड क्वेश्चन. अभी यू नो कि I really like Manoj Bajpayee ji, the way he do his characters and the way he choose his scripts. I really like that. And what I want to do, I want to do more real characters which are very close to life. And my dream role. My dream role would be to do a role like which Amir did in Three Idiots. I really loved that thing. And वैसा कुछ मिलेगा तो मैं ज़रूर उसे करना चाहूँगा. और मेरा एक जो हमेशा एक सपना है, एक सुपर हीरो की मूवी करना. एंड आई रियली लव सुपर हीरो फिल्म्स. और मैं अपने बॉलीवुड और अपनी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री को ये बोलना चाहूँगा कि हमें और सुपर हीरो की फिल्म्स बनानी चाहिए, और साइंस फिक्शन फिल्म्स बनानी चाहिए. आई रियली लव साइंस फिक्शन मूवीज़. तो मेरे ड्रीम रोल तो ये हैं कि मैं इन चीज़ों में काम करूँ, तो it would be like something else for me. Chandigarh is always very close to my heart. I just love Chandigarh, like the cleanliness, the freshness in the air, the warmth of the people over here is just beautiful. Whenever I come over here, मज़ा आ जाता है यहाँ पे आने के बाद. And most favorite thing Chandigarh people have over here is Shimla, which is the amazing thing which Chandigarh have. इतना ब्यूटीफुल हिल स्टेशन है, कभी भी मन करे आप वहाँ जा सकते हैं. वाओ, व्हाट नेचर ओवर देयर. एंड I'm a nature lover. I love beaches, I love mountains. और आई डोंट थिंक सो कि चंडीगढ़ से अच्छी जगह हो सकती है रहने के लिए. सो नीट एंड क्लीन रोड्स, beautiful infrastructure and everything, very nice people. I just love it over here. Sure. I'm always ready for the Punjabi films as well. The way artists, the way Punjabi actors work over here, I'm really influenced by them. The way Diljit, the way Amy Virk is working. I just love it. 1984 movie and Carry On Jet and Juliet. What hilarious movies these are. And I'm open for Punjabi thing whenever some good script comes up in which जिसमें मैं अच्छा कोई character कर सकूँ, तो I'll surely gonna opt that. And I think in near future I'll surely gonna do some movies over here. Thank you so much Punjabi Mania for having me over here. And we need your immense love and support. Please share the video, please watch the video, and please give a tribute to Lab Janjua ji. And it's his last song, and you guys have to share it and show it to your loved ones and your family as well. We need it immense, your love and support. Thank you guys, thank you so much.